Right, I'm going to start this one off. Start by multiplying out the bracket. So we want 2 times everything in there. So it's going to be 10 minus 4x equals 5 plus 6x. Now I want all the x's on the same side, and I don't want a negative x if I can help it. So I'm going to move this over to the other side. It's minus 4x. I'm going to add 4x to both sides. And I'm going to leave you to finish that one yourself. And if you still need help, I'll go through another video. But I think you can take it from there. Okay, these ones are tricky to do on the iPad, I know that. So either you can copy it out onto squared paper, have a go at it and take a photo, or you can try and do it. I'm going to give it a go, basically. So it's got a centre 2, 0, so 2 along 0 up, so that's the centre of enlargement. And we're doing a scale factor of -2. I'm just going to make this a bit bigger, because I want this as big as it can possibly be on the page. Now, oh, maybe a little bit smaller. There we go. So the first thing I want to do is draw some lines through the centre of enlargement. There you go, I've drawn some lines and it took me ages, it's really hard. You can try and do them freehand. The key is to do as big a picture as you can possibly get on the iPad, is to enlarge things as much as possible. Now, this is a negative scale factor. Now, normally with scale factors, you have your picture and you have your scale factor and you draw the lines going out that way. With a negative scale factor, what you do is you have your picture, you have your centre of enlargement, and you draw the lines going the other way through the centre of enlargement. Okay, so it's like going through the looking glass, I suppose. So we want a scale factor of 2. I'm just going to get a black pen here. So what we're going to do is, from this centre of enlargement here, what's the distance from here to that point there? Well, it's 3 along and 1 down, and I'm following that kind of orange line. So I want to double that from the other side of the centre of enlargement. So it's 1 up, 3 along. So on the other side, I want to do 2 up and 6 along. So that there is going to be my first point of enlargement. There. So that's going to be where that point ends up. So I would like you to try the rest of it on your own. Again, as before, I'm really happy to do more videos if you're not too sure about what you're doing, if I've given you too brief, if my help's been too brief. So see if you can do it and then let me know how you get on.